Guys, we hit 110 pips sa ating trade. Guys, we reached 40 pips. Ayan na nga, lumabas na siya, si Wizard. 20 pips agad, 20 pips. Bilis bumaba, no? Ay, 30 pips pala, sorry. Bigla lang, no? Sige, mag-reject ka dyan. Guys, pwede tong mag-reject or pwede niya tong i-break tong area na to, ha? So, manage your risk properly. Make sure makakurot tayo or set SL to break even. Guys, we reached 40 pips in this trade. Congrats po sa mga nakasabay. Wow, dami. $40, $7. Sino pa, guys? $14, $11. And guys, so almost 80 participants tayo ang pumaldo, guys. Ayan. $20, $11, $14, $40 win, $25. Let's go on our second trade. 30 pips running, guys. Let's go, waterfall. Okay, and tingnan natin kung hanggang saan. I think this is the one I was waiting for earlier. Nice. 50 pips, guys. 50 pips. $11 secured. Nice. Na naman po si Sir Melvin, paldo. Paldo. Break mo to, i-break mo to, i-break mo to. Yan. 70 pips, guys, 70 pips. Ayan na nga, lumabas na siya, si Wizard. With 90 pips. With 100 pips. 100 pips sa ating trade. Good job sa lahat ng mga nag-hold. Guys, with 110 pips sa ating trade. Guys, 2 trades tayo ngayon. So, 40 pips and also 120 pips. Lumabas na naman yung ating Wizard. Guys, congrats sa ganun lang ginagawa natin. Kurot-kurot lang tayo sa market.